In the world of online learning, creating your own course has never been easier than today. Whether you're an industry expert, a seasoned educator, or just someone with a niche skill to teach, the internet has provided countless opportunities to monetize your knowledge. This video will teach you how to start and monetize your own online course in record time. The first step in creating an online course is finding your niche. What is your area of expertise? What are you passionate about? What do people need to learn? Once you've determined your niche, it's time to explore the demand for the topic. Look at forums, blogs, social media, and other online communities that cater to your target audience. Once you've found your niche and explored its demand, it's time to define your course's learning outcomes. What will your students be able to do or understand after completing your course? Make sure your learning outcomes are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This will help you create a structured and effective course design. Now, it's time to create your course content. Depending on your teaching style and learning outcomes, you can choose from a variety of formats, including video lectures, text-based lessons, quizzes, assignments, and interactive activities. Don't forget to use relevant multimedia, such as images, animations, and sound effects, to enhance your students' learning experience. After creating your course content, it's time to market and promote it. Start by coming up with a catchy and SEO-optimized title and description that accurately represents your course's learning outcomes and benefits. Then, leverage social media, email marketing, paid advertising, and other channels to reach your target audience. Engage with your potential students by addressing their pain points, answering their questions, and providing valuable insights. Your job doesn't end when your students enroll in your course. It's important to provide ongoing support and feedback that will help them achieve their learning outcomes. Use a learning management system or course platform that allows you to communicate with your students, answer their questions, and give them personalized feedback. Consider setting up a private Facebook group or forum where students can connect with each other and share their learning journey. Finally, it's time to monetize your course. There are several ways to do this, including offering a one-time fee, a subscription model, or a drip feed model that releases new content over time. You can also offer upsells, such as coaching sessions, ebooks, or exclusive content for a higher price. Don't forget to set up a payment gateway and a refund policy that will protect you and your students. In conclusion, creating and monetizing your own online course can be a fulfilling and profitable venture. By following these steps, you'll be able to create a course that delivers value to your students, engages your audience, and generates revenue for you. Remember to keep learning, experimenting, and improving your course to stay ahead of the competition.